Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Random Facts by Shikha. In today's video we will know 10 quick facts on Mastek.
Before starting the video, would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Mastek is an Indian multinational technology company that offers enterprise-level digital transformation service and software. The company was founded in May 1982 and it is headquartered in Mumbai Maharashtra. The founders of the organization is Sudhakar Ram, Ashank Desai, Ketan Mehta and R. Sundar. It offers services in Agile consulting, application support and maintenance, digital commerce, application development, business intelligence and assurance and testing. It has offices in India, UK, US, UAE, KSA, Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, Egypt, Netherlands, Singapore, Malaysia and Australia. Mastek has close to 4,000 employees across 11 offices and customers across 40 countries. The company is listed on National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. Its subsidiaries are Digility, Taistech, Indigoblue Consulting and Evolutionary Systems. Mastek is ranked amongst the top 100 outsourcing companies in the world by the International Association of Outsourcing Professionals from the year 2006 to 2014. It recorded a revenue of $151.1 million in the year 2020. Mastek Foundation works for the betterment of society and to create solutions for emerging social issues.
If you like the video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.